What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We're here for 2 hours to build a Clone Wars MOC of the planet of Umbara. I haven't seen Clone Wars. Like a few episodes, but that's it. And so I had to bring in a Clone Wars expert, meet Lucas. As you guys can tell, he is the expert of Clone Wars knowledge. And so together with my LEGO knowledge and his Star Wars knowledge, we're gonna put together this build and hopefully get it done in the next 2 hours. So let's get started.
So I'm new to YouTube and I've never been in a YouTube video before. So if I like,
Make shape, any kind of sort of random shape, and then start layering bricks, hold it together. So we probably should build the monster first.
I did it! I made it work! Alright. Or get some elevation here and then do there.
Yeah. Have this cool video. Ooh, I like that. Look how that lines up with the ground.
Yeah. Oh no. So what we're doing right now is we are covering the parts that we have stacked up to make room for the monster. Hopefully, when we're done here, this should resemble a hill with the monster on top. This 17 years of Legos pays off.
Why?
Because you have so many pieces.
Oh.
Having a job pays off too. Alright. Wrong. Gosh, when you don't know your way around, it's very hard to find things.
Chink. Put that right in there. Yay. And we're done. 2 hours, 1 MOC, 2 guys, 1
idea.
We had a lot of fun experimenting with some new techniques, trying to get the slopes to match up and create a really organic looking shape, which is hard to do with Lego because usually Lego is very straight and very flat.
Some of the pieces we used weren't actually on there all the way.
Yeah, there's a lot of illegal stuff being used. We tried to keep it legal at the beginning, but more towards the end, like we really had no other choice to try to get the shapes to match up.
Because to fill in all the spots, we had to just lay some pieces in there. And I will give most of the credit to Isaac because he did most of the hard stuff.
But I wouldn't have been able to do this without Lucas because he came up with the idea and I wouldn't know like what to build if it wasn't for him. So this build would not exist without either of us.